22 Amazon TikTok finds 2021 viral must-have products you can buy on Amazon. As anyone who has mindlessly scrolled on TikTok can attest, the app is a one-stop service for endless fun. But, somewhere between dance challenges, voice dubs, and comedic bits, the app is full of useful hacks and product recommendations. Amazon even launched a landing page dedicated to viral TikTok items, aptly named #Found It on Amazon. To help narrow your search, check out these quirky, and incredibly useful, TikTok kitchen, tech and clothing finds you can buy on Amazon. 1. Dog water bottle. Want to keep your favorite furry friend hydrated on the go? Pick up this handy water bottle from PD. This option traded in the conventional cap for a small bowl, so your dog can stop for a water break whenever he or she pleases. 2. Two-piece ribbed seamless yoga outfits. Nowadays, a person can never have too many cute workout clothes. This set from JetJoy went viral for its comfort, quality, and cute colors. 3. Cleaning Gel Universal Gel Cleaner Color Coral. If you're looking for an easy and aesthetically pleasing way to keep your laptop clean, give Color Coral a try. Simply roll the gel onto your keyboard, and it will pick up dust and small particles. 4. Women's high-waist butt lifting yoga pants. The ruching on these butt sculpting TikTok leggings make your behind look bigger and rounder. Reviewers say that they're squat-proof and love that they run up to 4XL. 5. Pet hair remover. Right now, this Chom Chom roller is the #1 best-selling item on Amazon for dog hair removers, though it can be used for cat hair, dust and lint too. You simply roll it back and forth to capture hair on couches, blankets and more. 6. Skinny clear glass reusable straws. TikTok users and Amazon reviewers say that they prefer these glass straws over metal straws due to taste, aesthetic and sustainability. The straws even come with cute colorful silicone tips, though several reviewers say they're not needed. 7. Flippy V6 Personal Air Circulator Fan. Whether you want to cool off your desk area or amp up the airflow in a smaller room, this mini air circulator fan does the job while not taking up too much space. It comes in several colors to match your room's aesthetic. 8. 3-pack cord holders. It's easy to get disorganized when dealing with multiple USB cords and chargers. This cord organizer is a cheap way to keep everything in place. Simply place it on your tabletop or nightstand. 9. Workout lounge shorts for women. TikTok user Haley Lombard loves these super comfortable and affordable drawstring shorts. Consider these the perfect option for anyone who wants to give their traditional sweatpants a rest. 10. 14K yellow gold colored lightweight chunky open hoops. Looking for a cute pair of earrings without breaking the bank? Give these hoops from Pavoy a try. This pair has gone viral for being an affordable alternative to Hailey Bieber's beloved set. 11. Women's V-Neckline button-down knitwear. Sweater weather is finally here, so why not add a new layer to your growing rotation? With a subtle V-neck silhouette and voluminous sleeves. 12. Stainless steel watermelon slicer. Let's be honest, cutting a huge watermelon into itty-bitty pieces is daunting. If you want to snack on fresh watermelon, but don't want to do any extra legwork, pick up this innovative knife from Yushiko. 13. Time-locking container. Whether you want to limit your screen time, save your hard-earned cash, or build up your willpower when there's a jumbo bag of chocolate chip cookies lying around, KitchenSafe's time-locking container is the gift that keeps on giving. 14. Multi-purpose silicone original microwave mat. Who hasn't accidentally scorched their hand while trying to remove a surprisingly hot bowl from the microwave? Give yourself, and your hands, some peace of mind by picking up these versatile silicone mats from Safe Grabs. 15. Lip brush tool. Think of this Ucool's beauty gadget as a toothbrush for your lips. The silicone tool is designed to exfoliate your lips, making a dry, chapped powder thing of the past. 16. Spring Chef ice cream scoop. Yes, TikTok users are raving about an ice cream scoop, and here's why. The handle is comfortable to hold and the spoon apparently won't bend, thanks to its heavy-duty design. 17. Dish soap dispenser. Regular soap dispensers can get messy, but the optimal design of this one actually helps save your dish soap while quickly drying your sponge when not in use. 18. Silicone narrow ice stick cube tray. Some water bottles, well, most, don't accommodate for ice cubes. However, this BPA-free silicone tray features 10 narrow ice slots, and you get a set of 3 in 1 set, giving you 30 ice stick cubes at once. 19. The original bedside shelf for beds. Now more than ever, comfort is key when we're spending more time inside. This bedside shelf features an ultra-strong clamp that attaches onto your bed and can support snacks, dishes, books and more. 20. Dip Clip Sauce Moto. You're cruising through the drive-through line and want to take a bite of your chicken tenders. But, gasp, where do you place the dip? That's where Saucemoto comes in. This little holder clips onto your car's air vent, so you can grab a bite on the go. 21. Zip Slicer. Why spend what feels like a small eternity cutting cherry tomatoes and grapes by hand when you can pick up the Progressive International Zip Slicer? With a chute-like construction and concealed blade, this option will take the legwork out of your prepping a picturesque salad. 22. White Cloud Magnetic Wall Key Holder. Anyone who spends an ungodly amount of time wondering where their keys are will find a lot to love about this holder from Twan. Decked out with an ultra-strong magnet, the holder can be affixed to your wall and keep your keys in sight and on hand around the clock.